In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the links so you can share it with your clients. This question came up for one of my clients. She had got access to the legacy program and she was like, where do I find the links? Where do I find the links? So, and I said, just watch the trainings. Well, I realized, well, her own client is waiting. And so anyway, to cut the journey short, I decided to do this because I've gone ahead of them. So here you go to automate your online business for time freedom. That's where you find your funnel. Okay. And in here, if you don't have a domain name, you have to purchase a domain name and professional. Now remember that in our community, this training is for people who already have existing accounts. So you already have a domain name, you've been running the business for a few months, maybe even years. And then there are those who have only just signed up. So if you've only just signed up and you don't have a domain name, you need to go purchase a domain name and do the first bit. And if you don't want to use your old domain name, then you need to, go buy a new domain name and then take and do the steps in that video. But if you want to stick with your old domain name, then you don't need to go buy domain, okay? You can still use what you have. You just have to, if you have watched my other video, create a subdomain so that you empty out what's on the main domain and put all the new stuff on it. So where do you find your links? You want to go to your funnel link, okay? And if you video, it will show you here. You can see where it says Legacy Builder because I'm in the Legacy Builder program. Depending on the program you level, you would find the video that says shared funnel link. That's where you want to go. And here is a document. If you click on the document to download, it will download. I'm just going to open it up so you can see what you find there. So when it downloads, enable editing, and then all you need to do is just copy it, okay, and paste. I'm not going to paste because if I put it on the browser and paste it, it's going to add into my system as another funnel. But I don't want, actually, maybe I should do that. Maybe I should do that. I can always delete it, for training purposes. I could do that, show you guys, and I can always delete it. So all you need to do is copy this link, go into your browser, open a new Google page or Firefox, and then put it there and hit enter. This will now download the funnel into your system like we did the old one. And for new members, you might be seeing this for the first time, and like one of my clients says, it's mind-blowing, okay? So this is where you find your links. You can see the 900 form, order form, and the 29 link, the 600 order form, 29 link, 329 link, 129 link. Now the 29 link is the fee, the admin fee or website fee. And then the order form is how you collect money for your business. So people are going to go to your order form and pay you. And then it will redirect to the 29 fee so that it pays the company and the company can use that to run itself. So that's why you have a 29 fee. And I think it's incredible that we're getting all of this for just 29, okay? So that's how you get your link. Now, I'm going to show you, there's another video I did on how you edit your link. I might show you on this one quickly, but then there's another video. So to be able to easily identify your link, you want to delete this the way I did it. I do 900. And then it will save because there's nothing else with 900 with this domain here. And then that way, if I copy this link, that's my sales page link, okay? So my order form link. And if I do legacy, for me here, I call it sales page. And if I copy it, that will give me my sales page for the legacy program or any program that you're in. But how do you have the right domain name here? Okay, you want to go to your funnel setting and you click on this arrow here and you choose the domain name that you want to use. okay? There's another video on how to make sure that the domain name you want to use has nothing on it. If you're a new member and this is your first time of buying a domain name, just carry on with this process. You have no issues. But if you're an old member who wants to use your domain name, you have to empty out. And there's another video I have on teaching you how to create a subdomain. You have to empty out the old domain and make it empty and put it on a subdomain so you can use the main domain name for your new project. Okay. So, and then once you have edited your links, this is the link you give out. And, the reason why I edited it like this, 900, and then the 29, I did 900-29, so that anytime I see this 929, I know that this link is for the 900 legacy program. And I don't make a mistake and give it to someone who is not in the legacy program. Okay. There's a lot of people giving the wrong links. So I hope this helps. I hope this explains how you find your link. You have to go to the program and you have to go to where it says shared link, and then you have to go to the document here and download the document, and then it will go into your systemic funnel, okay? And in the systemic funnel, you'd find all of your links there, and that's where you find the links that you share, okay? So I hope this has helped. Let me know if you understand it, and if you have questions, I'll be happy to answer them.